Hello, so I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to use the revolve tool in SolidWorks. So if we start off by creating a new file, new part, and we want to use the revolve boss slash base tool. So obviously we need to create a sketch first. So the general way this usually works is you get a line and then you get a shape next to the line, and then the idea is that you spin or extrude this shape around the line. So if we say I want this shape to go around this line, then you get this kind of donut shape, right? And obviously you can do a bit more to this. So if we just go back into it and edit the sketch, and let's say we want to make a more funky shape. So let's say, so let's make this a bit more simple. Let's just put this here. And then let's get rid of this, get rid of that. Let's make sure the shape actually looks right. Yeah, so you can see the shape's highlighted blue, so therefore it's a fully it's a shape that can be extruded, that has no gaps in it. So if we update that, you can see the shape has changed. So obviously you can do a couple of different things like make vases and that sort of thing with this sort of tool and make kid toy, kind of toy wheels. Um, yeah, no, thanks for watching.